Hi, I'm Sandra Klackenborn. I'm head of sustainability here at Dustin. And sustainable business is a given here at Dustin and a prerequisite for a long-term successful operations and the positive impact possibilities. As the 8th largest IT partner in Europe, we have a responsibility but also major opportunities in impacting positive development in the industry. We also know that well-defined sustainability efforts are very important for our customers, our shareholders, our employees and investors. And sustainability is becoming an integral part of buying IT, and we want to make a sustainable IT choice easy for our customers. In 2020, we launched our new sustainability strategy. It focuses on 3 areas: climate neutral, circularity and social equality. So by 2030, Dustin shall be 100% circular, climate neutral throughout the value chain, and focusing on promoting social equality throughout the value chain. So here today I have with me Gjerdrum, who is the circularity lead here at Dustin, and he will tell us more about how we are working with this and how we aim to reach our sustainability target to becoming 100% circular in 2030.
Thank you, Sandra. So why do we work with circularity? It's mainly because the resources is finite. We all have to take responsibility to use the resources in the equipment that we already use. We believe that we can change, and together we can use and produce equipment without harm to people or planet. So one of the prioritized areas that we work with is extend the life cycle of the equipment that we use. We continue to use with take back, and of course increase the recycling rate of the equipment. And that we believe can create positive change. So what are some of the actions that we're already doing is to continue to work with take back, and also considering device as a service instead, where take back and refurbishment is included in the service. And also another exciting thing is to work with virtualization, where we can utilize the equipment better and also give all the equipment a better chance on living. So these are great actions on the short term, but in the long term we have to truly believe in the design of the equipment. The equipment has to be designed for upgradability, repairability, and also be designed to be able to be 100% recycled. And that's where we can do the actual change towards circularity. But no matter what we're doing, we have to have integrity in what we're doing to make sure that we do our best effort to that no equipment and actions will do harm to people or planet.